Legendary nutritionist and researcher, father of juicing and colon health, pioneer of food combining, Dr. Norman W. Walker. What constitutes nutrition? Part 2. Law of Replenishment. Food is consumed primarily to produce energy needed for activities. This energy is generated by enzymes within the atoms. Millions of such atoms constitute each cell in the body. Billions of cells form the tissues that compose the body's parts. When enzymes complete their tasks, the cells get exhausted and are discarded as waste. These cells need to be replaced from the food that we eat. This is the cycle of replenishment and regeneration. Dr. Walker says, "It is on the quality of this replacement that we build up health, energy, and vitality, or the reverse. Even a child understands that life and death cannot coexist. Life begets life, and in no other way can life be begotten." The replenishment of life in your body must essentially come from the life in the food you eat. Such food has the power to consistently regenerate and revitalize the life force within your cells and tissues every day. Raw foods, in their natural state, contain living energy within their cells. Such atomic life is classified as enzymes. The ability of the food to restore worn-out cells in the body is called the law of replenishment. Foods without active enzymes are called dead foods. Such foods sustain life, but it comes at the cost of progressive degeneration of health. Eating adequate natural foods and efficiently eliminating worn-out cells leads to vibrant health. Please visit the website at www.drnwwalker.com to learn more. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health updates.